Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn a few ways to screenshot a specific area of the screen. The first method is a keyboard shortcut, and it is a Shift, Window, X. Press all three keys at once and the window will be dimmed, and you can see several options here. So we have rectangular snip, we have freeform snip, window snip, or full screen snip. In our case, we'll select the first one, which is a rectangular snip. Then move your mouse to select the area that you want to screenshot. The area will be bright and visible while the rest of the screen is still dimmed. Then release it and now press Ctrl V to paste it to the document that you are working on. And you are done. And this works with any other application that you have on. So for example, if you are working on a document in Word and you want to screenshot part of a web page, just open that window. Press Shift, Window, S and paste it to your document. Done. Another method is to go to Insert, Screenshot and select Screen Clipping. The previous window will be dim and you can select the area that you want to screenshot. Once you release the mouse, it will be automatically pasted to whatever document you have been working on. This is actually my preferred method because it's not messy and you don't have to manually paste the screenshot to your document. If you use this feature a lot like I do, you can add that screen clipping to the quick access toolbar. So you can see here that I already added to mine. Let me show you how it is done. Okay, first I'll have to remove it. Now, right click to open the quick access toolbar, select more commands, and in the quick access toolbar dialog box, choose all commands. Scroll all the way down to select screen clipping. And don't worry, you will only have to do it once. Click Add and click OK. And now screen clipping is added to the top of your screen and you only need to click on it once. Anytime you want to screenshot a specific area on Windows. And that's it. Happy learning!